In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk assign tickets in Zendesk support. This is an essential skill to master, whether you're managing customer support or streamlining your operations for efficiency and clarity. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step to ensure you're carrying out these tasks both effectively and cleanly. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to a specific view in Zendesk that organizes the tickets you need to assign in bulk. This could be a view that lists all new tickets for a particular group, or perhaps tickets marked with a certain tag. If you're unsure how to set up or manage these views, there's an excellent guide in the Zendesk article titled Managing Tickets in Bulk, which you might find useful for getting started. Once you've located the right view, you'll see a list of tickets displayed. Here, it's important to be selective. You have the option to choose individual tickets by clicking the checkboxes next to each one. Alternatively, if you want to expedite the process for a larger batch, you can use the checkbox at the top to select every ticket on the current page of results. This flexibility allows you to tailor your selections based on your specific needs or priorities at the moment. With your desired ticket selected, it's time to make use of a very handy feature, the Bulk Edit tool. You'll find this option in the toolbar, often labeled as Edit or Bulk Edit. A simple click will open up the Bulk Edit dialog, where you'll see a range of ticket fields you can modify. Here, you have the opportunity to change the assignee of the tickets. If it makes more sense for your workflow, you can also choose to change the group assignment instead. Assign the tickets to the appropriate agent or team that you want to take charge of these matters. This step is crucial for ensuring the right people are handling the tasks they're best suited for. Once you've made your adjustments, it's time to seal the deal. Go ahead and submit or save the changes. With this action, all the selected tickets will be updated and reassigned according to the modifications you've made. Congratulations, you've just bulk assigned your tickets in Zendesk support. This method is not only a time saver, but also a way to ensure consistency and efficiency in your ticket management process. Remember to always double-check your selection before finalizing any changes to avoid misassignment. And that's it. You've got quite a powerful tool at your disposal now. Use these steps as a guiding framework whenever the need arises, and you'll be handling bulk ticket assignments like a pro in no time. Thank you for joining today, and happy ticket managing.